The new Generation 2024 Toyota CHR hybrid crossover has officially been revealed, with Australian details confirmed ahead of a local market launch during the first half of next year. Picking up where the distinctively styled first iteration left off, the second-gen CHR once again pushes the design envelope with concept-esque styling reminiscent of the latest Prius. The CHR will arrive as a hybrid-only proposition across three distinct trim levels: GXL, Coba and GR Sport. Externally, the new CHR is marginally shorter in length than its predecessor but also wider, giving it a more athletic stance. This is accentuated by the coupe-like side profile and available 19-inch alloy wheels. It's very close in overall look to the CHR Prologue concept that previewed it, with a new front end that presents a new face for Toyota SUVs designed to deliver a strong emotive appeal. This new CHR PHEV borrows the 147 bhp 2.0-liter petrol engine and 158 bhp electric motor from the latest Prius PHEV, along with that model's 13.6 kWh battery, resulting in an all-electric range of 41 miles. That's about on a par with what you get from the equivalent Ford Kuga and Kia Sportage. Inside, the eco-friendly concept continues with extended use of recycled plastics, double that of the first generation, including more than 100 different parts such as seat fabrics made from recycled PET bottles. Other available features include a swish new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch central touchscreen running Toyota's latest multimedia interface, sporting wireless Apple CarPlay and wired Android Auto. Toyota Connected services also feature Interior space isn't noticeably different from before, despite an increase in width and height, and most rivals are more spacious. However, with a panoramic glass roof as standard and larger rear windows, the new CHBR feels less claustrophobic in the back.